Hi everyone. So I gave you already the food for soul or food for our soul, this time food for our brain naman po. So I taught you already that pronouns are words used in place of noun. I taught you the personal pronouns, the possessive and the reflexive. Let's go to the demonstrative. Actually, apat lang po sila. Natatandaan natin. What is the use of these, that, these, and those? This is pointing to an object near you, and that is pointing object that are far from you. While these are pointing object near you, but there are many objects near you, and those pointing object that are far away from you, that are many. I will give you a specific example. This is a pentel pen. This is my spectacle. This is a piece of bread. We are using the THIS. Okay? This is an iPod. Okay? This is a plant. I think it's a bamboo plant, Chinese bamboo plant, okay? That is the use of this. But if you point, that is my cooking oil when I am cooking. Okay, this is that is actually pwede na natin siyang because you're pointing it to you far away from you. That is coffee maker. That is a blender because I'm sitting here and I'm pointing it far away from me. I can say that I can use that. That is blender. That is a refrigerator. Okay, is it now clear? That is my rice cooker where I always cook rice, okay? So what else? Okay, pointing that is only one, okay? Now when we speak of this in near you, I will give several. These are my pens that I use in my little whiteboard where I am uploading a lot of videos, you know. These are pencils because there are many. But if I remove the two, this is a pencil. But then when they are three, I will use this. These are pencils. Okay. When I remove that one, this is a pen or pentel pen. But when I put this one, these are pentel pens. Okay. Did you get it? So what else? I'm just getting stuff in my, what is this? Okay. Here it is. Sorry, it's live. Okay. And then if you're pointing, those are kitchen utensils.